Good morning, my dear students, and welcome back to class on English literature. We are still dealing with Act 4, Scene 1. So, in the previous class, I had explained to you how Portia was asking for the ring of Bassanio, and in today's class, we are going to see the response of Bassanio. Bassanio, this ring, good sir, alas, is a trifle. Trifle means it is not a significant thing. I will not shame myself to give you this, which means I do not like to bring shame upon myself. How? By giving this ring to you. So he told very clearly, it is an insignificant thing, and I do not like to bring shame upon myself by giving you this particular ring. Portia is very adamant now. I will have nothing else but only this. And now methinks means I think I have a mind to it. So Portia tells very clearly, I do not want anything else, and I think I would like to have this particular ring. Now Bassanio is giving another excuse here. There is more depends on this than on the value, which means this particular ring, this ring means to me more than the value of the ring. Which means this ring, I am not worried about the value of this particular ring, but this ring is dear to me more than the value of it. The dearest ring in Venice will I give you, and find it out by proclamation. Only for this I pray you pardon me. So he tells Portia, I will give you the dearest ring. I will give you the dearest ring. How? I will give a proclamation, and I will find out the dearest ring, and I will give to you. And I am sorry, I cannot give you this particular ring. So he tells very clearly, this particular ring means to me more than the value of it, and I will give you the dearest ring. How? I will find out, I will give a proclamation, and I will find out the dearest ring, and I will give to you. I am sorry for this particular ring. Portia, I see, sir, you are very liberal in offers. It means you are very fast in giving offers. You taught me first to beg, and now methinks you teach me how a beggar should be answered. So first you taught me how to beg, and you are teaching me how the beggar should be answered. So remember, Portia was not interested in getting anything, but as Bassanio was insisting, she asked for this. That's the reason she tells him, you taught me first to beg. Okay, so she asked for it, and now Bassanio is teaching her how the beggar should be answered. Bassanio, good sir, now is given the excuse here. Good sir, this ring was given me by my wife. So this particular ring was given to me by my wife, and when she put it on, when she gave me this particular ring, she made me vow. She made me to take a promise that that I should neither sell nor give nor lose it. So this ring was given to me by my wife, and when she gave me the ring, I had to take a promise that he should neither sell nor give nor lose it. So he cannot sell it, cannot give to anyone else, he cannot lose it. Portia, that excuse serves many men to save their gift. So this is an excuse given by people for what? For saving their gift. And if your wife will not be a mad woman, if your wife is not a mad woman, I know how well I have deserved the ring, and if she is able to understand how much Portia deserved this particular ring, she would not hold out enemy forever. Hold out enemy means she will not be angry with you forever for giving it to me. If your wife is not a bad woman, and if your wife is able to understand how he deserved this particular ring, she will not be angry with you for what? For giving the ring to me. Well, peace be with you. So with that one, Portia is leaving the place. So that's what we have seen. Portia is asking for the ring of Bassanio, and Bassanio is not able to give the ring. Now what does Antonio tell him? My lord Bassanio, let him have the ring. So Antonio told Bassanio, let him have the ring. Let his deservings, the deservings of Portia, and my love withal be valued against your wife's command. Which means the deservings of the judge and my love for you should be valued more than the commandment of your wife. Then so Bassanio tells, O Graciano, run and overtake him, give him the ring, and bring him, if you can't, unto Antonio's house, away make it. So he called Graciano, come here, take this ring and give to go and find out the judge and give the ring to him. And if we can, bring him to the house of Antonio. So with that, and we have the exit of Graciano. Come, you and I will thither present, which means we will start our journey. Presently means now itself, and in the morning early we both fly toward Belmont, and then tomorrow morning we'll have to travel towards Belmont. Come, Antonio. So now we have seen the ring episode where Portia was asking for the ring and Bassanio was unable to give the ring. But when Antonio insisted, Bassanio was ready to give the ring to Portia. So kindly go through the video once again, and that's the end of Act 4, Scene 1. I hope you are understanding. If there is any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.